One sunny morning, a slow old tortoise met a cheerful little bird by the riverside. The bird teased the tortoise for moving so slowly, saying, "You'll never see the world at that pace." The tortoise simply smiled and replied, "Maybe not, but I see everything more carefully." Days passed, and a great storm swept through the forestries fell, and nests were destroyed. The bird, frightened and tired, found safety beside the steady tortoise, who shared his shell's shelter. When the storm cleared, the bird realized that while speed can help you fly, patience and steadiness can save your life.